Okay, so the last item that I have with the blue and white thrift store Thursday today, it is by a family called Ray and Pauline Cash from Irwin, Tennessee. In 1945, Ray had worked for the Blue Ridge Southern Potteries Incorporated in Irvin in the packaging shed. He learned much about the operations of the pottery while working there. He later purchased the pottery from the Southern Potteries and delivered it by truck load to large stores like Park Belk and others in the southeast United States. Ray was drafted and served during World War II, and Pauline worked at the nuclear facility in Oak Ridge, Tennessee during the war. After the war, Ray returned home to Irwin, and the Cashes had visions of a new career. It was always his dream to own his own pottery. So, at urging of many friends and family members, it was a family-owned and operated pottery. So, these are the markings, and I will show that up on my right or my left side. And this is how I know that I got a fabulous piece. So, further ado, let me show you what I got. And child, 49 cents. 49 cents. Look at that. This is hand painted. And I think the lady that painted this, her name is Thelma Garland, and this is called the bittersweet pattern, done in cobalt blue. Okay. Now, 1945. Let's see, I'm 50, so this is dag near what, 70 or 80 years old. The markings have kind of faded, but I'm hoping that you can see it. But it does have the Cash family stamp on it. That's how I was able, because I was like squinting, I was taking pictures like really up close to read what was on the bottom of this, and bingo, I got an original one. Original. But when I first saw it, I said, oh, that's a cute little blue and white, for cream or whatever, to do a blue and white table. And I remember when I was there, I had seen this little blue and white bowl. But I didn't pay any mind. I said, I don't need this little blue and white bowl when I left it. Well, after I got back home and I did the research on this, the bowl actually goes with this. See it? And this was 49 cents. And I'm going to take the stamp off, because on this one you can actually see the markings. And it says the Cash family, hand painted, Irwin, Tennessee. So I got the real deal. I got the real piece. Now, I also did further research, and I went online. They have a Facebook page for the Cash family pottery. And I'm scrolling down, and jackpot again. Another lady has the small set, but then she's got the big one with the big bowl. I said, wow. But I was just so happy to be able to get a piece of history from this couple here, Ray and Pauline Cash. And you'll probably see it behind me. But lovely, lovely piece. I don't even know what the value of this is. And something like this, I don't think I would ever get rid of it because it has a lot of history, you know, with this family, and these are very rare to find. So, isn't that cute? Thought that was adorable. But I'm sorry that this video is long because y'all know I like to do my research and go into detail with some of the fabulous stuff that I find because I'm always on the hunt at my thrift store. But with that being said, I hope you watched it all the way to the end. Make sure to leave me a comment. If you're not subscribed to my channel, if it's not cheap, I'm not buying it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. And I appreciate you coming over and watching my Blue Thrift Store Thursday. And as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next thrift store Thursday. I'm on the hunt for some fabulous more finds for y'all. Y'all take care and stay blessed. Bye-bye.